People, long division. All right, long division. Now, not long because it's going to take a long time. It's just that because it stretches down your page. Take a look what we've got here. We're in lesson number 13. You guys are used to something called the forgiveness method. And so that's what you see on this right-hand side over here. Big thing we want to notice here is that typically we draw this long tail going down the side because all of our numbers go off to the right-hand side. Well, in our algorithm method, you'll see, and that's on this left-hand side over here, our numbers are actually going to go above, all right, and we're going to be dragging numbers down here. So, again, long division because, yeah, it goes down your page. It's long. It takes up lots of space. But the computation skills are going to be basic and straightforward there. So let's get you into this algorithm. And if you're saying right now, I forgot the forgiveness method, don't worry, people. We don't want you using it anymore. It's a nice transition, but we want you on the algorithm here. So let's show you how this works. Setup-wise, like you heard me say, it is going to be rather similar to it. And what we're looking to do here is we're looking to pull groups out. You do need to get as close as possible without going over. And that's a key thing, as close as possible. Listen, people, listen. You can't have everything that you want here, all right? They're basic math facts. Like, look at the 4. We're going to the first number, which is a 9. How many groups of 4 can you pull out of 9? Well, 1, 2. Yeah, 2. Because 4 times 2 is 8. And so that's the idea, is if I take out 2 groups of 4, I'm taking 8 away. We subtract. We bring down your next number that's there. Okay, repeat the process. How many groups of 4, and we're always going to go back to that 4 out there because that's what we're dividing by. How many groups of 4 can you pull out of 15? Now, we're using what we're left with down here, all right? Because again, we're working down that page. Well, if I take 4 groups out, 4 times 4 is 16. Too big. So let's go one underneath it there. It's 3 groups. So 3 times 4 is 12. And again, multiply, subtract, bring down the next number. Okay? I see the 38. How many groups of 4 can we pull out of 38? Well, 10 of them? No, that's 40. 9 of them. Yes, 9 of them is going to get me to 36, which is just underneath it. Subtract, bring down the next number, and this is where we smile a little bit. Because how many groups of 4 can we take out of 24? 6. Exactly 6. So 6 times 4 is 24. There's no remainder. We're done. 2,396. So again, basic math facts. If you need your multiplication chart out, make use of it there. But yeah, the idea is you have to get as close as you can without going over. We call it the forgiveness method because in the forgiveness method, as long as you came underneath it, you were fine. No big deal. In the algorithm, it is faster, but you do need to get as close as you can without going over. Yeah. All right, let's do one more here together. So here we're dividing by 5. So again, 5 is going to go on the outside. The 37,685 is going to go on the inside. Okay. Start with the first number. It's a 3. How many groups of 5 can you pull out of 3? Well, actually, none. I can't take any groups. So, okay, put a 0 up there. Same process. We're going to multiply. 0 times 5 is 0. We're going to subtract. All right, we're going to bring down the next number. Okay. How many groups of 5 can I take out of 37? Well, 6 is 30. 7 is 35. 8 is 40. That's too big. So, yep, so it's 7. All right. 7 times 5 is 35. So, again, we're multiplying. We're subtracting. We're bringing down the next number. All right. How many groups of 5 can you pull out of 26? Again, as close as you can without going over. That's going to give you 5 of them because 5 times 5 is 25. Just gets there. So, subtract. Bring down the next number. How many groups of 5 can you pull out of 18? Yeah, 3. 5 times 3 is 15. We're going to subtract, and we're going to bring down the next number there. All right? So, we smile, because how many groups of 5 can I take out of 35? Well, we can take out exactly 7. For right now, you're going to get these whole numbers. In other words, you're going to get no remainder like we did right here. So there's my answer there of that 7,537 that we're dealing with. So again, it is a process. We will be seeing this in the next few days. So we're going to be hearing it. We're going to be repeating it there. But that is that routine. How many groups can I take out? We put it up top. We multiply. We subtract. We bring down the next number there. All right, people. We're done. We're out of here for today. We'll see you later. Ooh, gotta go.